Hey, I'm Phoenix Chessman, and 2025 was absolutely insane for Nova Scotia Car Shows. We hit 2,000 subscribers this year and covered some of the most legendary events from all across the Maritimes. I just wanted to say, if you're new here, welcome. We cover everything automotive. Car shows, specialty builds, burnouts, racing, whatever's cool, we're filming it. Let's talk about what went down in 2025. So real talk, we're sitting at 2,185 subscribers right now. We passed 800,000 total views since we launched back in September of 2022. And this year alone, 226,000 views. We didn't upload as many videos in 2025 as we did in 2024, and that was intentional. We focused on quality over quantity, better footage, better editing, and better storytelling overall. This year, we've upgraded our gear. We got a new gimbal in September that's made our shots way more stable and professional. We finalized our thumbnail style, which is now bold, clean, and instantly recognizable by all of our fans. And we've added watermarks to every video to protect our content. Just look out for our logo. Here's a fun fact. 41% of you watch from Canada, 26% of you watch from the States, and then we even have viewers from all over the world, like Russia, Japan, India, Brazil, and even France. Isn't that cool? Let's talk about the shows we've covered in 2025. We kicked the year off with the Devil's Half Acre Motorcycle Rally. That was our first bike video of the year. Totally different vibe from our usual car show videos, but you guys loved it. Then we hit Aylesford, Berwick, and Middleton. We covered the Wharf Rat Rally, which included that insane bike and burnout competition. If you haven't seen that one yet, go watch it after this video. I'll put the link in the comments section. We also covered the Greenfield Dragway. High-speed racing action, cars lining up and launching, battling it all out on the strip. The 91st Apple Blossom Car Show. 91 years of automotive history, and we were proud to be there to document it. Our intern filmed both the Liverpool Car Show and Fred Rod in New Brunswick for us. I couldn't make it for several reasons, and I just wanted to give them a huge shout out for stepping up and keeping the content flowing. And speaking of Fred Rod, we got to cover an event with Rust Bros and Killer Customs. That was massive for us. And then there's the Lobster Bash Car Show, where we met Mike Hall from Rust Valley Restorers, a TV star right here downtown Digby, Nova Scotia. We also covered the Yarmouth Car Show, which was yet another solid event. Around December of this year, we've started ramping up our shorts game. We covered the 3rd annual Camping Car Show earlier this year, which was our first time filming a car show inside of a campground. We also expanded beyond YouTube this year. We're building a presence on Facebook and a few other platforms. We'll leave the links in the description for you guys to check it out if you're interested. YouTube is our main priority, but we're growing on other platforms too. Now it's time for a little poll. I want to hear from you. So what was your favorite video from 2025? I'm giving you 3 options. These are our top 3 most viewed videos of 2025. Lobster Bash with Mike Hall from Rust Valley Restorers, 24,000 views. Number 2, 91st Apple Blossom Car Show Walk Around, got us around 18,000 views. Number 3, the Greenfield Dragway Experience, gained a strong number of 13,000 views. I want you to drop your vote in the comments right now, 1, 2, or 3. We also started something brand new this year, and it's truly special. The 1958 Pontiac Pathfinder Sedan Delivery Restoration Project. Part 1 is already out. Part 2 is coming early 2026, hopefully in January. This car represents a new era for the channel. Long-form, in-depth, documentary-style coverage of a full build from start to finish. I'll leave that video in the comments section for you too. We're taking you on a journey through every single step. The teardown, the rebuild, the struggles, and the wins. All of it. If you're into restoration content, You're going to absolutely love this new series. Let's be honest for a second. 2025 was not an easy year for us. The biggest challenge was the content gap, which we struggle with every year. Car show season from Nova Scotia runs from June to about September. After that, it's quiet. Keeping content flowing during the off season is extremely hard for us. Our plan is 2025 is going to be 100% different. I will personally be filming more shows in the new year. We can now film 2 to 3 shows in a day if we really need to. When car show season kicks off in June, we're going to be everywhere, capturing it all. We'll be stockpiling content for the winter so we never run dry again. But honestly, I still need some of your help. This channel isn't monetized yet, so I'm funding everything by myself. My own gas, my own time, my own equipment, and there's been some people helping. I'm bringing you all this content for free because I love this community and I love this maritime car culture. But to keep this going, I need your support. Share this channel, send it to all your car buddies, post it in your local car groups, tag us on Facebook, help us grow. We'll also be selling the rest of our merchandise in the new year. The more subscribers we get, the more shows we can cover, the better equipment we can buy, and the more content we can bring you. And this is a good time to ask, if you haven't subscribed yet, please help us out, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and like the video, drop a comment down below. It's all free, it helps us out a lot, so please. One more thing before we wrap up. What do you want to see more of in 2026? I'm going to give you 3 options again. Option A, B, and C. So option A is more shorts and quick punchy car content. Option B, more long form walkarounds and in-depth event coverage, which is our main channel goal. Option C is more spotlight videos and deep dives on specific builds like the Pontiac project. Drop your answers in the comments, A, B, or C. This is your channel as much as it is mine. I want to know what you guys want to see. Let's talk about our goals real quick. Here are our goals for 2026. Hit 3,000 subscribers by August. That's 815 subscribers in 8 months. Totally doable with your support. Create more shorts and long form content, especially over the winter. Continue the Pontiac restoration series and expanding our presence on Facebook while keeping YouTube as our main priority. I want to cover every major show that we can possible in New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and beyond. We're going to keep bringing you the best automotive content Atlantic Canada has to offer. One last thing, you might have noticed we've been rocking themed profile pictures lately. Christmas, New Year's, we're going to keep doing that throughout 2026. Just look for our official logo. 2025 was incredible. Thank you all for being a part of this big journey for me, and thank you all for watching, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. You are all the reason this channel exists. Here's to 2026. I'm Phoenix Chessman with Nova Scotia Car Shows, and I sure hope you all have an amazing year in 2026. And we hope to see some new cars out and about. Cheers.